We often think of soil as just dirt, an inert substance beneath our feet, but the truth is far more fascinating. Soil is a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life. This hidden world, a complex web of organisms, is crucial for healthy plants and a productive garden. Just like us, plants need a balanced and diverse diet. That's where soil biodiversity comes in. A key part of this biodiversity is the balance between two types of bacteria, vegetative and spore-forming. Think of them as the yin and yang of the soil, each with a specific role to play. Understanding their functions is key to unlocking the secrets of healthy, vibrant plant growth. By nurturing this hidden world, we can cultivate healthier plants, increase yields, and reduce our reliance on chemical fertilizers and pesticides. In essence, we create a more sustainable and resilient garden. This isn't just about gardening, it's about working in harmony with nature. Vegetative bacteria are the sprinters of the soil world. They're fast-acting, multiplying quickly when conditions are right. They feed on readily available nutrients, breaking down fresh organic matter like leaf litter and compost. Think of them as the sugar rush of the soil, providing a quick burst of energy. This quick breakdown of organic matter releases nutrients in a form that plants can easily absorb. It's like giving your plants a readily available meal, boosting their growth and vitality. But just like a sugar rush, this energy is short-lived. Vegetative bacteria are highly responsive to their environment. Changes in moisture, temperature, or nutrient availability can significantly impact their populations. This is why consistently adding organic matter to your soil is crucial for keeping these beneficial bacteria thriving. Spore-forming bacteria, on the other hand, are the marathon runners of the soil. They're resilient, capable of surviving harsh conditions by forming dormant spores. These spores are like tiny time capsules, protecting the bacteria until conditions are favorable for growth. These bacteria are essential for long-term soil health. They break down tougher organic matter like woody stems and roots that vegetative bacteria can't handle. This slow and steady decomposition releases nutrients gradually, providing a sustained source of nourishment for your plants. Think of it as a slow-release fertilizer, consistently feeding your plants over time. They also improve soil structure, making it more porous and better able to retain water and nutrients. This is essential for healthy root development and overall plant resilience. Real-world results, successes and failures in the field. Let's look at two farmers, both growing tomatoes. Farmer John relies heavily on chemical fertilizers, ignoring the importance of soil biodiversity. His plants grow quickly at first, but soon become weak and susceptible to pests and diseases. His yields are inconsistent and his soil is depleted of life. Farmer Mary, however, understands the importance of a balanced soil ecosystem. She uses cover crops, compost and minimal tillage to encourage both vegetative and spore-forming bacteria. Her tomato plants are strong and healthy, naturally resistant to pests and diseases. Her yields are consistently high and her soil is alive with beneficial organisms. This highlights a crucial point. Expensive, trendy soil products are not the answer. Building a healthy soil ecosystem is about understanding the delicate balance of nature and working with it, not against it. A call to action: cultivating a healthier future. The health of our soil is not just an agricultural concern, it's an environmental imperative. Healthy soil sequesters carbon, filters water, and provides a habitat for a vast array of life. By nurturing our soil, we're not just growing healthier plants, we're investing in a healthier planet. So what can you do? Start by incorporating more organic matter into your soil. Compost, leaf mold, and well-rotted manure are all excellent choices. Practice no-till gardening to avoid disrupting the delicate soil structure. Choose a diversity of plants to encourage a wider range of beneficial organisms. These simple steps can make a world of difference. Remember, gardening is not just about what we take from the earth, but what we give back to it. By nurturing our soil, we nurture ourselves and future generations. Let's cultivate a healthier future, one garden at a time.